Hello, welcome to Gemzen. My name is Jake, and this is a transportation engineer's top 5 must-have mods for city skylines. Coming in at number 5, we have the intersection marking tool. This mod is perfect for transportation engineers like myself to have more control over lane markings. I like to use this mod to mark out double left turn lanes on local roads. I also love using this mod to mark highway on and off ramps to make it look more realistic. There are many other things you can do with this mod as well, such as adding a curb to your intersection if you desire. You can also customize crosswalks with this mod, which I have yet to play around with. The beautiful thing about this mod is it works in conjunction with the Move It mod, as well as the number 4 mod on this list, which just happens to be Node Controller. Node Controller is exactly how it sounds. You control any and all nodes with it. I like to use this mod to smooth out my nodes, such as highway ramps that I have tightly curving off the highway. This mod also allows you to bend, or in engineering terms, super elevate the road to more realistically build highway curves. I like to use this mod to create interesting intersections, such as using 2 one-way roads that intersect at the same node so there aren't 2 nodes too close to each other. I love the feature of sloping the node so that the intersection doesn't flatten out on a hill. I think one of the best features with Node Controller is the fact that the intersection markings that you place down with intersection marking tool will adjust as you adjust the node. There are other features that this mod adds that I haven't played around with too much, but I highly recommend checking this mod out. Another important mod for transportation engineers is the Network MultiTool mod, which comes in at number 3 on this list. The Network MultiTool mod adds a ton of features to help build roads. One of the main features I use is the Slope tool, which I use for my city reviews that I do every now and then. I use this tool to check the grades of the roads that other creators have built and tell them if the roads are too steep or if they are good. There are a bunch of other features that I want to play around with more often, such as union nodes, split nodes, intersect segments mode, unlock segment mode, invert segment mode, arrange at line mode, arrange at circle mode, create loop mode, create connection mode, parallel mode, create curve mode, and more. Admittedly, I am not sure what the benefits of each of these modes are, or even how to fully use them, but the option is there to assist in designing roads for anyone interested. I will definitely be using it more in the future. Now, surprisingly, number 2 on my list is Traffic Manager. Don't get me wrong, this mod is great. It gives you the ability to add traffic signals, time traffic signals, yield or stop signs, junction restrictions, adjust speed limits, set vehicle restrictions on roads, disable parking, better vehicle AI with dynamic lane selection, as well as more realistic parking. This mod does so much to the playability of the game and overall makes the playing experience much better, which is why this mod is number 2 on my list. Before I get into number 1, I would like to briefly mention a few honorable mentions that didn't quite make this list. The honorable mentions are in no particular order. They are Advanced Road Tools, Precision Engineering, Roundabout Builder, Move It, Extra Landscaping Tools, Key Anarchy, Picker, and Parallel Road Tool. And the biggest surprise of all, it's actually a combination of 2 mods created by the same creator that go hand in hand. These 2 mods end up on the same GUI. These mods are Kleit's Fine Road Tools and Fine Road Anarchy. I combine these together as they should be one and the same. These 2 mods I use all the time, especially Anarchy when creating interchanges that require me to turn off bending, which in turn requires Anarchy. These mods allow you to do just about whatever you want. The game has a lot of restriction that can seriously hinder your ability to play the game. For example, I ran into an issue where I wanted to upgrade a road, but I had a farm in the way. Anarchy would have taken care of that problem, as it would have allowed me to upgrade the road regardless. But I happened to be playing vanilla, therefore I would have had to move the farm out of the way just to upgrade the road. It's not like I was asking for much. I just wanted to upgrade a dirt road to a paved road. I also love turning bending off, as it allows me to make more realistic highway interchanges when used in conjunction with Anarchy. This mod also comes with the ability to snap to nodes and turn off collisions, so you can make sure you don't destroy anything unintentionally. Other features include adjusting the elevation step to the 1 meter instead of the vanilla game adjusting to 3 meters. You can also change which mode you are in. For example, you can be in normal mode, stick to ground mode, raise above ground mode, bridge mode, and more. The final feature that is really great with this mod pair is the ability to set a straight slope. For example, you want to raise your road 24 meters over 50 units of road. The vanilla game more than likely would not handle that very well. These reasons are why I put Kleit's Fine Road Tools and Fine Road Anarchy at number 1 on my list. I really hope you found this video to be interesting. Let me know if you agree with my top 5, and if you don't, let's discuss why you were wrong. You should 100% subscribe to my channel to see more phenomenal content in the future. I hope you have a great day.